Okay, Marriott looking good for us. We're long that from 45 cents. That's something from yesterday. We are long that from 45. This is a wide market. It was trading about between 55 and 60 on the close, and we're up 0.5% now. What's Expedia doing here? We need a little bit more out of them. That was entered for 60 cents. It's a wide market, but it's trading about 65. Starbucks, for those of you over there in option vol room, that is going to be looking pretty darn good. Along at 25, it's trading 35. Marriott, we need to keep going higher. We got to tighten up that market though before we even consider doing anything. Starbucks going right to the strike. That's perfect. Let's get Expedia up here on here. Trading 41.12, so that's good. 140, 142.5. All right, let's look at our gaps here. We got nothing to the downside. Gap ups, we have a few. We have AbbVie. Let me pull that down into here. AbbVie.